get to meet little animals and a million squirrels. Squirrels.
Helicopter, helicopter.
We're here. Look at that.
Oh.
This is so scary. Okay, so first is to find the squirrel. Look at that, so cute. Hi. Oh, bye. I wonder if there's any ducks just lying around. You know, it's kind of like a forest. Look at that. Bridge time. Guys, do you hear that? Do you see that? It's duckies. I wonder if Blackie will fall. Oh my god. Okay, just kidding. I wonder if I can speak duck language. By the way, there's like 100, no, 1,000 mosquitoes around. It's very itchy.
Goose time.
I think that's a sign of the goose. Wait, is that what I think it is? Geese? No way. No way. Oh, look at that one. They're like just sitting, chilling. Okay, enough of that goose poop situation. We have this very beautiful leaf. Guys, is that a bunny? Let's see if we can find a crow. Hi! Well, that was an amazing trip with you guys. I think my favorite part must be mosquito. Oh, it's not a mosquito. What was it again? Oh yeah. My favorite part was the geese. They're so fat and cute. Sorry, geese, but that's all. Bye.